Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by different people of different religions in India. Some common religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Mahavir Jayanti, Christmas, Guru Parv, Navratri or Dashera, Pongal, Onam, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, Janmashtami and Ganesh Chaturthi. Now let us take a look at our religious festivals in detail. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, we decorate our houses with oil lamps, diyas, candles or bulbs, rangoli and flowers. It is generally a 5-day celebration. Each day has a significant meaning. People worship Goddess Lakshmi on the day of Lakshmi Pujan. People distribute sweets and gifts to each other. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. We eat sweets and have lot of fun. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Usually, it is celebrated for 2 days. In most part of India, the bonfire is lit on the night of first day, which is known as Holika Darshan. On second day, people play with different colors. They put gulal and throw colored water on each other. The second day is called Rang Panchami. People greet each other and offer sweets. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated in Jain religion, which marks the birth anniversary of Lord Mahavir, the 24th and last Tirthankar of Jainism. On this day, the idol of Mahavir is given a ritual bath before the puja, which is called as Abhishek in the temples, and celebration followed by a big and grand procession called Rath Yatra. People go to temples and seek the blessings and remember the teachings of Lord Mahavir and pledge to follow those teachings. Eid ul Fitr. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to mosque to offer their prayer, called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Sivaiya are the special dish on this day. Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated on this day. Special prayers, carols are held in the church at midnight. On Christmas evening, people decorate Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People decorate their houses and go to Gurdwaras to pray. Big colorful processions are taken out. Gurdwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. A community lunch langar is served there. Navratri and Dashera. It is celebrated for 10 days. Navratri represents celebration of Goddess Durga. The word Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit. Final 10th day is Dashera. People play Garba and Dandiya for 9 nights. Dashera is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan. the demon king of Lanka. The effigies of Ravan, his brother, and his son are stuffed with crackers and are burnt. In South India, people worship goddess Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati during Dashera. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu in the month of January. They worship the sun god, the rain god, their domestic animals, cows, and bulls, etc. People prepare sweet rice called Pongal. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated by the people of Kerala. People worship the god. This is followed by a feast. The great attraction of this day is the boat race. These boats are called snake boats. On this festival, people of Kerala wear new clothes and have a grand meal served on banana leaves. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated as birthday of Lord Shiva. On this day, people go to temple and offer prayers to Lord Shiva. People generally fast on this day. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister in Hindu religion. Raksha Bandhan is a bond of love and affection between brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie the Rakhi on the right wrist of their brothers. Rakhi is the sign of protection that the brother promises towards his sister. After tying the Rakhi, brother gives his sister's gift. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is also known as Kite Festival. It is generally celebrated on 14th January every year. People fly bright color kites and distribute Til Gud laddus on this day. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on the first day of Hindu month Chaitra, and it is celebrated as New Year Day by Maharashtrians. A gudi is raised to invite prosperity and good luck into the house. Traditionally, a paste of neem leaves, cumin seeds, jaggery, and salt is eaten on this day. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. On this day, young people form small pyramids with colorful uniforms to break Dahi Handi, which is ties a few feet high above the ground. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated all over India and widely in Maharashtra. People bring idols of Lord Ganesha and worship it. The duration of this festival varies from 1 to 10 days.